How to turn off Apple ID two-factor authentication. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is open your settings. At the very top, you'll find your Apple ID. Open it. Now navigate to this option of Sign in and Security. Now hit towards the option of two-factor authentication. You can see that it is enabled. Now in order to disable it, you can delete this phone number. Just swipe to the left and click on the option of Delete. With that, your two-factor authentication will be turned off. Likewise, another thing you can do is open this app Apple Support. You can get this app easily from the App Store. Once you get this app, launch it, log in with your Apple ID and password. With that, you will enter this kind of interface. Now go ahead and click on this option of iPhone. Now scroll down. Over here, you will find this option of More. Click on it. Scroll all the way down. At the very end, you will find the option of Tell us what's happening. Click on it. Now over here you have to explain that you want to turn off two-factor authentication, and with that you will be good to go. This is how you can easily turn off Apple ID two-factor authentication. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.